Look down here. Look at that. Look at this screen, y'all. That is insane. Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's Precision Pressure Wash. We're here in Kissimmee, Florida today, and we got another job for y'all. So let me show you what we got. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing this screen enclosure, this furniture, this pool deck, and then the back wall of this house. Because, I mean, you could see it needs it. Look down here. Even though the paint's green, you can still see that green on there. Serious. See the window there? Moldy, dirty. It's a little hard to see because of the glare, but you can see it there. And here, look at that. So that's definitely going to be fun to clean up. Should come up pretty well. Pretty easily, I should say. It's definitely going to come out well. Can't leave until it is. And come all the way around the corner. Got this pool deck. This skinny section is going to be a little difficult to clean. And we got the enclosure itself. Paint is black, so it's easier to clean. But you see the screens. As I walk across here and try not to fall in. Look at this screen, y'all. That is insane. It's almost like the screen itself is green, but that's all mold, y'all. So you see that. Same thing here. You see. See, we got growth. There's some lichen on some of these. Show you when we get up here more, but these screens with this bush, and it is dirty. And you see here, this is the lichen I was talking about. That's probably gonna take some 5% out of the pump up sprayer. More dirty screens. If I stand here, you can see all of these, man. All of them are bad. See, we got a little bit of lichen up on the top screens there. Screens here dirty. More furniture. See, the furniture needs it. See that? And then out here to the outside step. So this is gonna be a fun job, y'all. Shouldn't take us too long. But it's definitely dirty, so it needs it, y'all. So stay tuned.
Alright, YouTube, what's going on? Today, we're going to show you step-by-step process on how we just clean a regular old screen enclosure. We're going to start off by the pre-wet, as we always do. Obviously, these bushes are going to get soap on them. These are durable, but you still want to give them a little something to get wet with. Guys, the weather is freaking perfect here in Florida right now. Look at that, shorts, perfect. By the end of the week, the fish should be biting.
All right, y'all, we're officially putting SH down, and we're pulling out of the barrel, which, as you may or may not know, means it's just straight SH, which we always do anyway with screen enclosures. You've heard us say it multiple times. We do not use surfactant on screen enclosures because that's a nightmare.
These bushes are making it extra fun, guys. Extra fun.
I was about to say, it looks like the bushes are a nightmare as well, but it is what it is.
Screens do have a lot of growth on it.
Yep.
Which he will be going behind me with the pump up. Hopefully we can let it sit long. Like I said, guys, there's no way we're gonna not get it on the bushes, so you gotta see what.
He always says he's gonna let stuff sit, and then a minute later he's coming back trying to rinse it off.
Alright, guys. Let me know in the comments if you want me to slap him for getting slick. I don't like violence, but I'll do it for they want me to.
All right, y'all, just wrapped up the job. Took us about an hour and a half. It's about what we were expecting, and came out really good. So let me show you the results. So first off, you remember above this window here, I'll give you a before. See, it was real green up there. It's completely clean now. Same goes for right here under the window. Give you a before, and obviously you see the after. Big difference there. As well, when I was standing right here, glass up there was moldy, dirty. It is very shiny now. And this is without surfactant as well. That's just how shiny it is. And then finally, yeah, netting up the pool, the hot tub, just because we want it to look as good as possible when we're done. And then finally for the wall, you remember right there, it's dripping down, green. It's all gone now. Looks really good. So now onto the screen enclosure and the screens themselves, which were, I mean, y'all remember. Stand right here. I'll let you see the before. Look at that. That thing was completely green. And now I'm gonna get down to the other side of the screen, because that's where I was really able to see All of them together. Remember, I was standing right here. Look at that, y'all. That is insane. Really big difference, as y'all saw, hitting a lot of the screens with the 5% just for the debris that was built up there.
This is all downstream except for what you had to do with
Yep.
the 2.1 injector.
And remember, y'all, no surfactant. We do screen enclosures. It's all just straight SH. Still a downstream though. And then you see the general overview here. It looks really good, guys. Obviously the deck. See that? Give you a little zoom in on the furniture here, because you remember from the before it was also dirty. There's what it looks like after. There's the before. So the furniture cleaned up well, as did everything else. So as always, this has been Precision Pressure Wash here in Kissimmee, Florida today. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.